Imagine standing at a crossroads, a single $500 bill clutched in your hand. Not for a fleeting indulgence, but for an opportunity that whispers of life-altering change. Today, we peel back the layers of PulseChain, a project many believe holds the key to hidden riches. Could your modest $500 investment truly lead you to a path of unprecedented wealth? We're diving deep into the explosive potential, the underlying technology, and the realistic price predictions that could see your portfolio soar. This is where conviction meets potential, where foresight could truly mean one decision changes everything. But is this just another crypto dream, or is there a tangible path to prosperity? To truly grasp PulseChain's investment viability, we must first understand its essence. PulseChain, a high-performance, lower-fee, and more environmentally friendly fork of Ethereum, aims to scale its functionality. It offers faster transactions and reduced gas fees, making dApps accessible and affordable for everyone. This foundational shift gives PulseChain its radical power, positioning it as a potential disruptor. With a full system-state copy of Ethereum, every ERC20 token and NFT has a corresponding copy on PulseChain, creating an instant ecosystem on launch. This immediate utility attracts developers and users seeking an efficient blockchain experience. However, the journey to becoming a profitable investment is never without its trials. PulseChain faces formidable challenges. The crypto market itself is notoriously volatile, subject to macroeconomic pressures, regulatory uncertainties, and fierce competition from established Layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum 2.0, Solana, and Avalanche. There's also the inherent risk associated with any new blockchain project. Adoption rates, potential technical glitches, and the community's sustained engagement are all critical factors. Critics often point to the contentious nature of its founder, which, while attracting a fervent following, can also deter institutional investors seeking more traditional leadership. Navigating these obstacles requires a discerning eye and a solid understanding of market dynamics. Now, for the question on every investor's mind, the explosive PulseChain price prediction. For 2025, with increasing market maturity, PLS could realistically reach $0.0008, representing a potential increase of 200% to 500%. Looking to 2030, assuming continued development and a broader crypto bull run, PLS could target $0.0035. This longer-term vision paints substantial growth, potentially transforming a $500 investment into wealthy outcomes, with returns ranging from 900% to an astonishing 2,200%. These figures are projections based on trends and the project's intrinsic value, embodying hope and potential FOMO in this space. But with such promise, what are the true costs and benefits of diving into this digital gold rush? Understanding the pros and cons of investing in PulseChain from an investor's perspective is paramount. Pros of investing in PulseChain. 1. High growth potential. As a relatively new and undervalued asset with strong fundamentals, PLS offers significant upside. The projected price increases illustrate the potential for substantial capital gains, turning a modest investment into a profitable investment. 2. Lower transaction fees. PulseChain's design offers drastically lower gas fees than Ethereum, making it attractive for everyday users and developers. This could drive widespread adoption and utility. 3. Instant ecosystem. The fork creates an immediate copy of all ERC20 tokens and NFTs, providing an instant ecosystem and liquidity from day one, reducing bootstrapping challenges. 4. Dedicated community. PulseChain benefits from a highly engaged community, often a strong indicator of a project's resilience and long-term potential. This engagement can drive adoption and development. 5. Innovation and efficiency. The focus on speed, efficiency, and environmental friendliness positions PulseChain as a forward-thinking blockchain, appealing to users and developers demanding sustainable and performant solutions. This innovation can enable investors to potentially become wealthy. Cons of investing in PulseChain. 1. Market volatility and risk. Like all cryptocurrencies, PLS is subject to extreme price fluctuations. A $500 investment could just as easily diminish as it could multiply. This isn't a guaranteed path to wealthy status. 2. Competition. The blockchain space is fiercely competitive. PulseChain must continually innovate and secure adoption against established giants and emerging rivals. 3. Regulatory uncertainty. The global regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is still evolving. Adverse regulations could significantly impact PulseChain's operations and market value. 4. Founder controversy. While Richard Hart commands a loyal following, his controversial public persona can be a double-edged sword, potentially limiting mainstream and institutional acceptance. 5. Relatively new technology. PulseChain is still a nascent ecosystem. Unforeseen technical challenges or security vulnerabilities could arise, impacting investor confidence. So, how is this conflict about investing or not resolved? The key message here is informed, diversified investment. PulseChain presents a compelling case for its potential, but it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. The resolution lies in thorough due diligence, understanding your personal risk tolerance, and never investing more than you can afford to lose. For those who see the vision and accept the risks, a carefully considered $500 investment could indeed be a calculated step towards uncovering hidden riches. It demands patience, research, and a long-term perspective. A truly smart investor doesn't chase FOMO. They understand the fundamentals, acknowledge the hurdles, and position themselves strategically for growth. The choice is yours, but an informed choice is always the best path forward. If this deep dive into PulseChain's future has sparked your interest or helped you gain a clearer perspective on this profitable investment opportunity, then don't let the journey end here. For more exclusive insights into emerging blockchain technologies, comprehensive price predictions, and strategies to make making a difference investment decisions, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. Crypto taxes don't have to be a nightmare. Coinly calculates your taxes in under 20 minutes. No spreadsheets, no headaches. Sync your crypto assets with one click, whether you're trading, staking, or using DeFi. Import your trades, track your portfolio, and generate ready-to-file tax reports effortlessly. Join thousands who trust Coinly to simplify their crypto taxes. Make tax season stress-free. Click the link in the description to get started with Coinly today. The information contained herein is for entertainment purposes only. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the channel owner, who is not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies poses considerable risk of loss. Please use your best judgment when dealing with cryptocurrencies, and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. The channel does not guarantee any particular outcome.